Here am I with a review of a $6 digital multimeter. So this multimeter is ordered from eBay from China. The link will be in the description. It costed around $6 and it arrives really fast here in my country in Bosnia and Herzegovina in for about 50-60 days. So that was really quite quickly. So here is we can measure everything like with a normal multimeter. As you can see, AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, current flow. We can test the speaker now. So let's check here. We put these leads, of course, black one will come, and this one here. And as you can see, it is working. With some distortion, but okay, that's it. So I have used this one for a few, maybe 3-4 weeks, and I already got some problems with these leads. So as you can see, the red one, it was fixed by me 2 times. So firstly, this cable came completely off from this plastic thing, and then so let's say, put it back again inside, fixed it, and put super glue here that it don't goes off, and in the end it was not connected properly, so I needed to cut it here to put it back again, and then connect it again here, check it is okay, and then put it back again, and again connect with the super glue. And as you can see, some more problems are starting to arrive here with this cable. So when it's for the cable, it's really bad quality and I'm not happy with it. So I will probably in some time will be needed to buy a new one, but this one can stay for some time. So let's measure something with it. Also, firstly, we have also this operation manual. It's also written here that we can measure temperature, but we can't, as you also can see. And this here is also failure. It doesn't work at all. With the light, as you can see, we've turned on the light, and it will be on for some time, and then it goes automatically off. In the beginning I thought it's a problem with the battery, but it is not. I put it inside a completely new battery, and it's the same thing, so the light goes off after 15 seconds maybe. So here is for some time used 9-volt battery, so it's not 9 volts straight. So let's measure voltage. About this standing here, it is for now on really good. I'm happy with it. So here we go. Put the leads again inside. But it's really interesting that I didn't have any problem with the black cable, just with the red all the time. So let's measure the voltage now. Minus to minus, plus to plus, and we have 1.4. Why 1.4? What is this? This one is not correctly. Okay, let's do it now. We have 8.6 volts. So I think that's correct. definitely. Here is one resistor. It's 220 ohms with the tolerance of 1%. So let's put it on 2K here and let's measure the resistance. 218, so that is a good measuring, I think. So let's check a diode. We put this on the diode symbol. So we put the plus on the anode and the minus on the cathode, and the diode lights up a little bit. Maybe you cannot see it, but it lights up. Just a little small bit, as you can see. Because I think the battery is again dead inside. So here I have one transistor. So let's check a transistor. If you maybe have watched my previous videos, you will know everything, but here is a review in this video, so for someone new in my channel. I also had a unboxing of this one, so you can watch that also on my channel. So we put this on the diode check and we need to find this is NPN transistor, so here we go, 07706, so this one is correct. And I have here a dead PNP transistor, so let's plug it in. Dead PNP transistor, so one diode will be dead here, as you can see. This one is okay, but this one is dead, so there's no reading here. So this is a half dead PNP transistor. So I don't know what to measure more. So now we are going to measure current. So let's put this on 200 milliamps and connect these two rails. So this diode is now taking 27 milliamps from this battery with this 220 ohm resistor. And these distortions, as you can see here with the speaker, the buzzer, that are happening are mostly because of this red lead, but it can be used for some time. So in the end, do I recommend you to buy this multimeter? So if you want to start working seriously with electronics, do not do this. Do buy a really quality, much expensive multimeter that will use you, but that you will be able to use definitely about 10 and more years. But this one, I'm having it for 3-4 weeks, and as I told you in the video, had some problems, mostly with the cable, but for the price, I am happy with this one, definitely. It costed just $6, so that is a really great price for this thing, and free shipping and everything. So for someone who starts with electronics, who wants to play a little bit with this, to learn how this works, I absolutely suggest him to buy this multimeter. So if you have any questions, ask me down below. And if you want to stay up to see my new videos, maybe subscribe and like this video, you will help me a lot. So thank you for watching.